Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you my beauty space and wait and I did a video about me cleaning my beauty space. So here it is. Not too much to show, but I'm going to start. So first off, you see this mirror, and I got it from Winners a long time ago, like from 2016. And those are my brushes, my perfume. I like to keep like a perfume here sometime, but most of the time I like forget about wearing perfume. But I try to put reminder to put perfume, because what is a girl without perfume? Like, it's a girl must have. Like, it's not even a girl, it's a woman, a lady. Like, a real perfume is so ladylike. So yeah, and those are my brushes. And you need to clean your brushes. Last time I cleaned it was 2 days ago. I cleaned the brushes that I use the most, like my foundation brush, my buffing brush, my let's see my eyebrows brush. This brush I got it from a long time ago. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's number 12. Yes, double side. So here I got my small brushes. I try to divide those brushes from the big one into smaller one, but it's never worked out. And so here I have my most used brushes with my foundation brush and all that. Here I have the bigger brushes, the brushes that I don't really use, to be honest. And here I got some scissors, not supposed to be here, but sometimes, oh, to be here, but sometimes I put it here. And I got my Reto comb and some other brushes. And I got Real Techniques brushes, but I also got the dupe one. Like, no, this one is real, this one is a dupe, so it's not real, but it does the job. Like, this can be used from like contour your face and all that. So it's really fluffy. And moving on, the mirror I already got. And here I got my cream, my body cream. And like I said, yeah, here I got my body cream, Nivea, and this one. And yeah, this Nivea cream, it's so thick. Like, I feel like it's great for winter. And my skin needs a lot of moisture. When I use it, like I use it today, and it's so thick, and it my my hand are like dry and something like that, because it's supposed to be in the cold time, but you can still use it if you want like really good moisturizing cream. This is the one, and I was talking about this in my other video. Here you got this those organizer clear organizer, and I got two. This one is broken and I tried to fix it, but you know, it's broken, so I did a little bit of cleaning to you know, to clean a little bit of things here, so it can be easy for me to find things, because here is like the most of my time I spend here to get ready. So you know, it's great to have all in one place. So this is and this one I think I got from Amazon, and this one Amazon also, and maybe this one is from AliExpress. So there's like a bunch of I recommend like AliExpress for the clear organizer, and the bigger one, clear box organizer, on Amazon or AliExpress. So you got the thing I remove my makeup with, and my makeup, like I got some lipstick, it's like I got like some MAC product, but not much, and I got like, you know, products, Fenty Beauty that I never use. It cost me like 30 bucks. You know, if you want to spend your money, make sure you spend it so you can use it. Like make sure you spend it on things you can actually use. I got some pens because it's easier for me to gravitate towards the pens and to write. And this is my name. How you like that? How cute. And I got this a long time ago from my primary school. Here I'm going to pass you know, like you already saw the inside of my makeup place, my makeup drawer. So here are just my palette. I'm not going to you know, take out the things because I already did that, and I don't want to. It's going to be a lot of work. Yeah, this is all like pencil and all that, and those are my lashes. This palette I got it a long time and it was free from BH Cosmetic. And the thing for my skincare, and I forgot. Want to see my feet? Yeah. And this one, oh, LA Girl. I got this is the worst buy I ever made this year. Like, oh, you don't see, I thought it was like dark enough to be like a bronzer. Wait, I thought it would be dark enough to be like a bronzer, but it's so light that I'm finally use it when I'm taking picture, conceal under my eyes, something like that. And I bought two of these. I'm so pissed, but it's light. So yeah. And before you guys go, I want to show this Urban Decay palette, and this is the Born to Run. And this Sephora employee recommended me that, and I'm so glad she did, because it is so pigmented. Like, it's great for people of color like me. It's great for black women. You know, sometimes things don't show on your lids, and the palette is so gorgeous. Like, look at this. Like, all the places that I will be going in the future, all the places, travel destination that is awesome. I'm going to show you my chair that I sit on. Obviously I sit on something, so I will bring it up. So this is my chair, and yeah, I got it from IKEA. And this one, it is from AliExpress. And IKEA or IKEA is like the best thing to find something. And this table is also from IKEA. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.